Mars. Its blood-red color inspired the Romans to name it after their god of war. The ancient Egyptians called it the Red One, the Chinese, Fire Star. Now, with NASA aiming to send humans to the planet in the 2030s, the question many have is why? Mars is our second nearest celestial neighbor and the fourth planet from the Sun. At its closest, it's 30 million miles from Earth. It's the second smallest planet after Mercury, yet has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Mars has no known resources that would be valuable enough to send back to Earth. It's bombarded by solar radiation and has dust storms that cover the entire planet, which raises the question why governments and private enterprise are spending billions of dollars on getting there. Perhaps the most intriguing reason is the search for extraterrestrial life. In 1976, NASA's Viking 1 became the first spacecraft to successfully land on Mars. On board was apparatus designed to detect life. Chemical soil tests were initially promising, but doubts were raised and it has since been discounted that life was discovered by Viking 1. Yet it still supercharged the debate on whether there was life beyond our planet and what it means for our place in the universe. Conditions on Mars indicate life could have existed, and in 2018, NASA's Curiosity rover found organic matter, like methane, in rocks.
Organic molecules could be the food for life, or they could be the product of life, or maybe they're from something altogether different, such as geology or meteorites that were deposited into the lake.
NASA's Perseverance rover, which touched down on the red planet February 2021, is actively testing for signs of life too. The samples it collects are due to be returned to Earth for analysis in 2031. NASA's motto for hunting extraterrestrial life has been follow the water. And in fact, water did once flow on Mars in abundance, enough to cover a fifth of the planet. And the water still exists. Today, the planet's two polar caps are largely made up of ice. If it melted, the water could flood the entire planet to a depth of 35 meters. The presence of water also makes the prospect of human settlements on Mars possible, even though there are only small amounts on the surface. As well as drinking it, NASA is exploring using water as protection from solar radiation and as a possible fuel source. But Martian settlements won't come cheap. In the 1960s and 70s, NASA's Apollo program cost $280 billion.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
That hasn't stopped people like SpaceX founder Elon Musk from pushing the idea.
So history is going to bifurcate along two directions. One path is we stay on Earth forever, and then there will be some eventual extinction event. The alternative is to become a spacefaring civilization and a multi-planet species, which I hope you would agree that is the right way to go.
Musk floated the idea of terraforming the red planet to make it more habitable, even suggesting this could be achieved by dropping nuclear bombs on it. Historically, the idea of terraforming has been met with skepticism by members of the scientific community. Many doubt there are enough resources on Mars to do it. Then there are all the unexpected benefits of attempting to go to Mars. The last space race brought a boon in technological innovation that gave us things like GPS, ear thermometers, camera phones, CAT scanners, athletic shoes, and LEDs. Perseverance rover is just the latest in a series of missions to Mars that spans decades, and each new step towards the red planet has brought the potential for a better understanding of our own. There may not be a lot on Mars, but it's the unknown and the adventure of getting there that might just merit the price tag.